Hi, welcome to Electrolux. My name is Ankit Tripathi. In this video, we are going to learn about the Electrolux refrigerator. The model name is EQE6879A-B, which is the toughest model, which is launched by the Electrolux in India. So in this video, we are going to learn about the points, which is a very important, which has to be adhered during the installation. The points are: one, you would require 16 ampere socket, right? Second, floor where we are going to install the product, that floor must be proper labeled. Three, proper ventilation would be required surrounding this product so that we can get better cooling performance. And last but not the least, which is very important, the side gap, okay, to open and close the door properly. So I would brief you on the left side. Here we would require 265 gap from the wall, right? And here on the right side, 355 gap should be required so that we can open and close the door properly. All right. So these 4 points are very important. Now, during the installation, the all accessories, this is the refrigerator zone, and this one below one is the freezer zone. So while the installation, these all accessories must be fixed properly, like these all bottle shelves, other accessories we have to fix properly. Now the important point is to fix the text guard. That's called carbon filter. So during the installation, that carbon filter you will find out over here. I'll show you because we have installed this product already. So that carbon filter we have fixed over here. This is the carbon filter, right? This will be packed properly and kept over here. So remove the poly pack, place over here, and put this cover on its position, right? So through this way, we can install this smart product refrigerator in a proper way so that we can get better cooling performance from this product. Refrigerator demonstration. The complete demo I'll cover in 3 video. In this video, we are going to learn about the shelves which is given in the fridge zone, and the cells which is given in the freezer zone. Okay, so please, this is the fridge zone called refrigerator zone. So basically here you can see these all are the shelves. So this shelves is given for placing the bottles. As you can see in this video, this rack is given for placing the eggs. This is the basically egg tray, right? Let's assume you want to keep more number of bottle of the big size, so you can adjust this one shelves over here, right? Similarly, you can place other food stuffs in this basket. This one is specifically we have designed to place the medicines, right? Here on this store, you can place the cosmetic stuff over here. All right. This one shelves here, this is a very smart design. Basically, if you want to place big size of vessels over here on this shelves, right? So you can adjust this one shelf. You have to push like this. I'll show you. Now here you can place the big size of utensils like this. All right. Similarly, for example, the number of bottles or number of utensils of the big size are more. So in that case, you can also adjust this one shelves like this, and you can place your item over here in a very smart way, right? Now this one here, the vegetable basket, basically this is our feature TasteLockAuto. Here we can place vegetables and fruits, and that vegetable and fruits will preserve up to 7 days. But the condition is all the fruits and vegetables must be fresh, right? This one is the snacks zone where we can place the chocolates and other snacks stuffs, right? So this is the fridge zone. Now I'll elaborate you about the freezer section, right? Okay, so where temperature will be in negative, like -20, -23, -21 as per the set temperature. Here you can see we have given a specific I would say feature in this refrigerator that's called a TasteSealFlex zone. So this one is a TasteSealFlex zone where temperature will be 7 degrees centigrade to -23 degrees centigrade, and that particular temperature we can set from this control board, right? I'll educate you about this control board in the further video. All right, so here you can see in this zone the temperature will be in negative, right? This one is the basket where we can place any food stuff over here. This one is the adjustable shelf. I would say we can reverse this one shelf as per our requirement. I'll show you here. Just I'll open this. So remove it out easily, right? And you can reverse and place it back. So this reversible process you can adjust as per your requirement. Here in this TasteSealFlex zone, we have given a specific basket where you can place your stuff, and this one is the shelf. So you can see here, I have placed 2 bottles of the wine. If you don't have the wine, you have other food stuff, so you can adjust this shelf as well, like this. All right. So this both shelf we can place, we can invert. I'll show you like this. So this one is a very important feature, right? Here in this shelf we can place any other food stuff as per your requirement on the right side and left side door. All right. So through this way we can use this given shelf in the fridge zone, in the freezer zone, and you can use this product in a very appropriate way. So in this video, we are going to learn about to operate this product. Okay, basically about this control panel. So before the demonstration, we have to fill the water tank. This one is the water tank. We have to fill the filtered water, RO water we have to fill, right? You can fill the water from this point, as well as you can remove it out this cover and directly you can fill the water. The capacity of this water tank is 3 liters. So this is the mandatory to fill this water tank after the installation, right? Now here, this is the control panel. Just for your remembering, the left one is for the freezer zone, right one section is for the fridge zone, right? Here you can see this is the temperature minus 14 degrees centigrade, which is set for the freezer zone, and 5 degrees centigrade is for the fridge zone. The temperature, the respective temperature we can adjust from this plus and minus, this plus and minus. I'll show you. If you want to increase the temperature of the freezer zone, just press this negative. And if you want to decrease the fridge temperature, just press this minus button, right? This one is the quick freeze. So basically, quick freeze is a very smart option. Like the food load, you are going to place inside this freezer zone, and the food load is very high. In that case, you can select this quick freeze option. So while selecting this quick freeze option, the temperature in the freezer section will achieve minus 23 degrees centigrade, and this option will be enabled up to 12 hours. After 12 hours, it will get disabled automatically, right? If you want to disable it earlier, just press. It will get disabled, right? Now, this one is the drink chill timer. Basically, drink chill timer is used for chilling the beer or wine or champagne bottle. For example, in your house, there is some guest or there is some occasion, you bring some wine bottle from the market and just place inside the freezer section zone. Okay, close the door and select this drink chill timer. Now you can see here 20 minutes, MIN, means the initial time is 20 minutes. You can increase this 20 minutes from 20 minutes to up to 45 minutes with the help of this plus and minus button. I'll show you. Here I have selected drink chill. Now you can see here 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, maximum 45. So as per the count of the bottle, you can set that particular timing. This one is the ice maker. All right. So basically, if you want to ice, just press this button for 3 seconds. Ice maker will get activated. But please ensure this water tank must be filled with the water. So I have already, it is selected. You can see in this video. Okay. This light is glowing, means already it is selected. I'll show you. I'll deactivate it here. On the control panel, you can see here ice maker off. I'll activate it. For activating it, press this button for 3 seconds. It will get activated. All right. This one is the lock. This one is the child lock basically. So while enabling this child lock function, no button will work here. If I'm going to press any button, no button is activating, right? Because I have activated this child lock function. Now I'll disable it again. It has been disabled, right? Now this one is the water. Okay, water, cube and crush. So basically this is the feature that is water and ice on demand. So if you want to dispense the water, just select the water first from this control panel and press this one paddle. So I'll show you practically. Here I'll take a glass. Okay, if you want to collect the water, just select the water button over here and press this paddle. You can see here. All right, so as per the requirement, you can collect the water. Now this one is the cube. Okay, so cube, you want to ice cube, just select cube and press this one button. Okay, so you can see here this product is dispensing the cube. If you want to crush ice, just select and press this one button. Here, this one paddle. So this product will dispense the crushed ice. This one is the light. We have given an LED light which will glow permanently if you have enabled from this button. This one is the holiday. If you are going outside from your house, just enable this holiday function. So how basically while selecting the holiday function, product will be in working condition, but the temperature in fridge and freezer zone, that will be in the lowest temperature. If I'll talk about the freezer zone, so freezer temperature will be set up to -15 degrees centigrade, and freezer zone, this one fridge zone, will maintain 8 degrees centigrade. All right. This one is the party mode. So basically, party is an option where in freezer zone and in fridge zone, in both zone, temperature will be in the lowest temperature. For example, in freezer section, temperature will maintain -23 degrees centigrade, and in fridge zone, temperature will be 1 degree centigrade. For how long? So the timing is 6 hours maximum. After 6 hours, this party mode will get disabled. All right, great. Now this one is the quick chill. So basically, quick chill we have designed for the fridge section. Means in the refrigerator zone, temperature will be 1 degree centigrade, and that function will enable up to 6 hours. After 6 hours, it will get disabled automatically. All right. This is clear. All right, perfect. Now I'll elaborate 2 more points. Here in this control panel, the given carbon filter test guard, which I have educated in the earlier video, if that carbon filter life will get end, that carbon filter indication will start to glow over here in the red color. All right. And if water tank will get empty, so water tank empty message will pop up over here. All right. This is clear. Thank you so much. In this video, we are going to learn about the control panel, the very important feature which I have educated you initially, that is TasteSealFlex zone. So basically here you can see this one is the TasteSealFlex zone, where we can maintain temperature from 7 degrees centigrade to -23 degrees centigrade. And that temperature we can set from this one control board, right? So you can see here, we have given 5 program, wine and champagne, where temperature will set 7 degrees centigrade, daily snacks, temperature -3 degrees centigrade, cold drink 0 degrees centigrade, meat and seafood -2 degrees centigrade, and this one is the freezer zone. So in the freezer section, basically in the freezer program, the temperature would maintain -23 degrees centigrade. So for example, here you can see I have placed the wine bottle. So while placing the wine bottle, I would recommend you to select this wine and champagne program. Now you can see here, if I'm selecting, it is not getting selected. Why? Because this control panel is secured by the child lock, and that child lock we can disable from this one button. So press this button for 3 seconds, it will get disabled. Now you will be able to select that particular program. This one is the daily snacks. For example, you have placed any daily snacks item in this compartment only, just select daily snacks. So while selecting this program, temperature will maintain 3 degrees centigrade. Similarly for the cold drink, 0 degrees centigrade. Here again, you can see it, child lock is enabled automatically. Here, cold drink function. Now this one is for meat and seafood. For example, you bring fresh chicken from the local market, just place that particular non-veg item in this section. That fresh fish and fresh meat will preserve up to 7 days, because in this section, while selecting this one program, the temperature -2 degrees centigrade will maintain, right? And the last one is the freezer program. Freezer program means while selecting this one freezer option, in this section, temperature minus 23 degrees centigrade will maintain. All right. So through this way, we can utilize TasteSealFlex feature, which is given in this model. All right. Thank you.